all my secrets. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Today I am going to give you what I think are the key tools and methods to always having either the trick in your back pocket to simplify your makeup, or to just streamline your routine, or just that one little thing that's like, God, why didn't I think of that? I don't know. Just these are just like little essentials, little game changers, little life altering, amazing things. This is the sliced bread of makeup. It's okay. Like, if I say this is amazing and then you're watching and you go, okay, yeah, I see that. Then I'm like, I oversold it. Well, my hair today is really big because I played with it with mousse. It's got mousse in it. It's got air dry cream. It's got leave-in conditioner. It's going to get bigger and bigger. In a month, Dana. My hair is gonna be out here. It's gonna be like right out here like a mushroom. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. I'm not from Brooklyn and I don't pretend to be. All right. So let's get started. I love talking about makeup. I love talking about playing with makeup. I love talking about just things I learn and discover. So this is not makeup. The first thing I'm going to talk about is not makeup. These, I think I was watching Stephanie Marie and she showed them in a favorites, and then someone else was using them, but because I've seen them on TikTok. Anyway, these are like little fuzzy wristbands. Like, instead of, the fuzzy headband we use to wash our face, these are for your wrists. You can use them when you're playing tennis to like wipe the sweat off your brow if you want to. But what they are like drip catchers. So when you're splashing your face at the sink with water to wash your face, and I don't know about you, but sometimes I honestly don't want to wash my face just because I don't want to get my arms wet. That sounds very like 5-year-old, but it's like this thing where I hate it when water runs down my forearms, or gets my shirt wet, or gets the sink counter wet, the bathroom counter wet. And these actually are great to absorb any of the water that you're splashing. And I don't splash a bunch. I mean, this isn't a Neutrogena or a Noxzema commercial where I'm just like, but these keep the liquid from dripping down my arm, and they also eliminate less kind of splash and spillover onto the countertop. So I just love them. So thank you, Stephanie, that you shared them, because now I'm sharing them. Moving on to actual makeup tools. You guys, I pretty much am done with beauty sponges. I mean, I'm not. No, they always serve a purpose. But my preferred tool of choice currently is some kind of velvet puff. Whether it is the Beauty Blender, this is the little pocket puff, and you slip in, you can put your fingers inside it, or you can put it right here. You can turn the little band around if you want to do it this way. This side is kind of rubbery. I mean, it's not, but it kind of feels that way. And then, maybe it is. And then this side is the lovely velour pad. And this is the Wayne Goss powder puff. This side is I call it the shag carpet. This is the fluffy higher pile carpet. And then this is the short dense side. So you can use this side. You can switch this around. You can use this side for applying cream products, And then you can use this to put in your powder and puff. I love blotting my makeup, my liquid makeup, cream makeup with this side. I love applying powder with this. I love flicking away any mistakes or excess. I just love puffs lately. I do. A velvet puff is, for me, I love it. Here's another thing that you need in your lineup, in your arsenal, in your, you know what I mean, your toolbox. This is a white concealer, or it could be a white color corrector, whatever you want it to be. This is the LA Girl. This is the one that you can use to, you can lighten makeup. You can use it as a highlight. There's so many things you can do. You absolutely need a white mixer. I guess that's what we'll call it. A mixer. And you can also have other shades and one to make it darker. But the reason I like the white one is because I use it not just to mix in with other products to either lighten them, but I actually like to apply it directly as a kind of a Hollywood highlight. Because in the old days, they would take those white pancake makeup sticks and apply them strategically for, we're talking high definition highlight, okay? Contour. So this doesn't have to be as dramatic, but what I like to do is just, I kind of like to carve out some cheekbone here, maybe cover up some discoloration, and we can use this to blend. You can also use your finger. I, of course, have makeup on already, so this has been redundant, but the point is to just show you that I like to put it on either even over my lips, over on my nose, under my eyes. Here, I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and I am going to use my finger for this exercise. I'm going to put a little on my, that's a lot on my nose. I'm going to put a little on my nose. I'm going to put a little right here. I'm going to put a little right here. Right here. Yeah. Okay. So this, we're just giving little bits of like pops of light. Okay. Not a lot. We're not caking it on here. This isn't going crazy. This is just tricking the eye. Remember, makeup is illusion. Magic. When you've got your powder and you've got your puff. So I like to take a little in the palm of my hand. I kind of do that, right? Okay, now you're thinking, okay, neat, Rebecca, what's next? Because you look weird. But the idea is just, you know, you can blend that, you can leave it and put some bronzer over it. Another tool that is an absolute must-have is a multi-purpose, medium-size-ish face brush. This is the Real Techniques setting brush. This is probably one of my most favorite makeup brushes. And I love, there's, you know, I have my dedicated favorites, whether it's my BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy A506 brush, or the BK Beauty 101 brush, or maybe one of my Wayne Goss brushes, or even this brush that's like $10 from Joa. But this brush, if you need one brush, okay, you can use this for cream products. You can do your concealer with it, then you can apply your powder with it, then you can do your contour, you can do eyeshadow, you can do everything with this brush. It's like a little small for sure, you know, if you were gonna powder your whole face, I totally get it. But the pros, you know, they go in light, they just go a little bit, they just do a little dab, little dab. It's not like bam, 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 you know? So this is so good because you can use it everywhere, and it's just so perfect. It's the perfect size. So for me, it's a must-have. It is an absolute must-have. So the next product that I think is something you absolutely should have is kind of a taupe pencil. Like this could be almost a brow pencil. This could be a kind of muddy, beigey taupe lip liner. This is the Makeup Forever. This is the Endless Cacao. And this is a multi-purpose pencil. And they have on the Makeup Forever pencils, when they have both the eye and the, what do? They have kind of like this eye and lip little symbol. That means you can use it anywhere. So you'll see what I've done is I've actually used this to fill in my eyebrows. And then you can even contour your nose with it. You can use it as a liner if you want just like a soft shadow that doesn't really look like anything. This pencil is so good. It is literally the contour kind of give or take shade that you need, and everybody is doing the kind of lip cheat. I think I learned this on Alexandra Anel's channel, and you kind of do the, you know, if you want to overdraw your lips, and you kind of do that little Khloe Kardashian, whatever, but you're making a shadow around your lips that is not lip liner. It's just a shadow. Okay, so you can do more if you want, but this is perfect. It's perfect. It goes everywhere. So then what I'm going to do is put in a little bit of gloss. I'll use my, this is the Jouer lip oil. This is the shade Belle. It's so pretty. So you're just giving your lips more dimension. Oh, there's something so much fun about the white in the center. It makes it so bubblegum, so mod looking. I love it. Anyway, okay, so let's say you're on a deserted island, or let's say you lost your luggage and you're going to CVS on vacation. You get chapstick and you get sunscreen. And you get Pepto-Bismol and Advil and blister band-aids. But you also want to grab one of these sticks. Now this is the Aquaphor one, and it is a solid balm. CeraVe makes one. Is it CeraVe or Cetaphil? I think it's CeraVe. Vaseline makes one. And what they are, it's just solid petroleum, right? So you can get this in, there's a number of varieties. There's ones that have scent or shimmer. Maybe there's some like natural health food ones. But personally, I'm fine with Aquaphor. I don't mind that it's petroleum. It is unscented. It is pure. It is just straight up solid lubrication.
That sounds really weird.
I did not mean to make that sound weird. My point is, you can use this as a lip balm. You can use this as a brow tamer. You can use this as a highlight, like moisture balm, okay? Yeah, I know Tower 28 and all them are pretty great, but you know, this, you can of course put it on your chapped elbows and heels. Don't apply it directly to your feet, please, if you're gonna use it on your face. You can use it to tame down little baby flyaway hairs, okay? You can use it to clean up shadow mistakes or liner mistakes. You can just kind of rub it along and slide it up, right? Kind of do that, you know? So good. You just need this. You can use it on your cuticles. I mean, there's so many things you can do if your baby gets like chapped cheeks and has eczema. I would put this straight on Owen's cheeks. He had such a red, flush, chap cheek when he was like 9 months old. So I just started putting this on and he did so much better. But anyway, I love it. It's great. I'm sure there is even more uses for it. You can scrape some off, put some powder with it, and create like a cream shadow if you wanted. You can use it as a gloss for your lids. You can, there's just so many things. If you have a cold and your nose hurts or allergies and you've been blowing your nose, then go to bed and smear this all over your nostrils so that your nose gets a break. It's really, really a good thing to have. So, yes. All right, and then one more item. This is actually Real Techniques as well. And I talked about wiping away mistakes or anything like that. And if you do not want to continue to use like the cotton tip swabs, the Q-tips, because you feel like they're so wasteful, you're just constantly using one, throwing it away. These are reusable little makeup tools that are kind of like little fixer tools. So these guys, they're kind of dirty, sorry. I think I actually have a backup of this. This was less than $10 and you get these reusable swabs. These are kind of a velvety, these are like shadow, you can do kind of the microfiber. I love just flicking off dried mascara that I've made a mistake with. And they have the different shapes. And then this is more of these are kind of rubber. I think I like to say that it kind of duplicates a fingertip because it's got like a rubbery, they're like a little spatula shape and a little tip bulb shape. So, and then here are your shadow shields that you can apply when you're doing your makeup, or you can do a little extra pampering, put on some eye cream, and then put these on to really give yourself that like sealed in hydro, you know what I mean? Like a greenhouse effect. And this is of course portable and handy. They're all reusable and washable. Yeah, Rebecca, take notes, washable. Usually what I do is I just put a little bit of brush cleaner on a towel and rub them off, and I just haven't done that in a while. So I think that's everything. I think that's everything I want to share for now, but those are just the tools of my trade that I love. I love them. I can't, sometimes I'm just like, where is that? It's the little things I keep on my makeup desk all the time. And if they've gone missing or they've walked away or I forgot where I put it, then I get really panicky. So those are my faves. All right. If you have something that you just feel like it changed, what is my hair doing? If you have an item or tool or thing that you want me to try or check out, let me know, because these are probably one of my favorite videos to watch, is when I see other people do, like, I guess they're hacks. Is it hacks? I don't know. I love hacks, but it's just kind of like, they didn't call them hacks 20 years ago. And they've probably been using all of this stuff. Nothing's new. Alrighty, folks, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was fun, and I really hope that if you haven't subscribed, that this video was the sure sell winner of I need to subscribe to this channel. And you're going to click that button and tell all your friends. Alrighty, folks, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.